right, we're going for meal number 2. I think it's going to be a good one. Asian pork Mickey noodles. It's going to look like that. It looks delicious. And these are the ingredients. So that's what we're going for tonight. The picture shows that, and it gave us 2 huge plates. Can't wait to try it. Asian pork Mickey noodles. One of the best meals we've had so far. What else do I have to say? Okay, so for building up the recipe, soy sauce, there's only 3 little packets. My wife doubled it. She put the value of 6. There wasn't enough soy sauce. There was sesame oil. My wife told me, we are not eating this. It smells like shit. So she made me smell it. And yeah, sesame oil does not smell good, so we didn't put it into the recipe. The noodles call for 5 to 7 minutes to cook. In reality, it took between 1 and 2 minutes to cook. Incredible taste. The portions were humongous. We had more than enough, and the prep time was very, very short. So yeah, Asian pork mini noodles, go for this. It is incredibly good. It's, again, I say it often, one of my favorite dishes. So don't forget Magic Phil 76. He's got 68 subscribers. His target is 76. Go take a look and like it if you see the magic and find it's incredible. And don't forget to subscribe on his channel. Okay? Thanks a lot and see you tomorrow.
What just happened? I can't believe my eyes. It's magic at Magic Phil.